Okay, this is called the change of base formula. It means in an equation, if you have two different log base, you need to change one of them to become the same as the other. Okay, so if I have log base A and then B, I want to change to a new base. The C is the new base. Write down, C is the new base. Okay, the B remain on top. Then the bottom will be log the new base and then the old base. So A is the old base. If I have log base 2, 3, look here. If I want to change to log base 5, the 3 remain on top over log base 5, 2. If I want to change to log base 10, also can. The 3 will always remain on top. You see, I can change their base to any base that I want. Over log base 10, 2. I want to change to ln, also can. 3 remain on top. 3 is this guy, this is the B, over ln 2. Okay? So why do we use change of base? Is, let's say in the equation, you see there's a log base 2 and a log base 4. You cannot do an equation when there's two different base. So you must do the change of base formula. We always change to the smaller base. Write down. Always change to smaller base. So this guy log base 2, I keep him. Okay, I write here. Because he is the smaller base. For this guy, when you do change of base, always draw a big bracket with a fraction. So the new base I'm going to change is going to change to log base 2 because I must work with the same base in a logarithm equation. What remains on top? 3y. Okay. Then the denominator will be log base 2. What goes below? The O base. 4. And then this is equals to log base 2, 5x plus log base 2, 3y over log base 2, 4. You should be able, you have to do this in your mind. 4 is 2 square. The 2 bring down. So it's just equals to 2. When you divide by 2, it's the same as multiply by half. This skill is very important in logarithm equations. Something divided by 2 means the same as multiply by half. Okay? Half, this as a can bring back up as a power. Remember to bracket the whole thing because when you bring up as a power, it belongs to both of them. And when you plus, what happens to their component? The component will multiply. So this is 5x multiplied by 3y to the power of half. Okay, so all the log law in one equation. All the log law in one equation. So if I have log base 4, 8, I want to change to log base 2. Chloe, what is the number I write here?
8.
Over?
Log
Base 2?
4.
And 8 is 2 to the power of 3 over 2 squared. And then you bring down, your answer is 3 over 2. I have log base 16, 32. If I want to change to log base 2, what is the number that is supposed to be here? The number that is on top will always remain as the number that is on the top. Over log new base. The old base will be the denominator. 32 is 2 to the power of 5. Over log base 2. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So this is 5 over 4. So for 11a, if I have log 4a, I want to change to ln. How do I write?
Wait, ln 8 over ln 4.
Then you can use your calculator to work it out. Okay? If I want to check log 32, log without writing anything, is base what? 10. Yes. So tell me, if I want to change this base to ln, is ln what over ln what? Ln 30
32,
over ln.
10.
Very good. If I want to change this to log base 5, what is the number I write here? So the big number is always on top, so 2, okay, over log base 5. The O base is always below 25. Ln and LG give you the same answer, so you can use ln or ln to work out answers from your calculator. But if you see E, you can only use ln.